Earlier this year, Volkswagen unveiled the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI, sharpening the styling while boosting the hatchback's output and upgrading the cabin with a new 12.9-inch touchscreen. Volkswagen also teased a refreshed Golf R, showing off a camouflage prototype, and now the automaker has announced that the Golf R will be revealed on June 26. The accompanying teaser image for the reveal date announcement doesn't reveal much, showing the illuminated headlights connected by an LED light bar and a light-up Volkswagen logo. The headlights look similar to the updated units found on the new GTI, and the previously released photos also showed similarly restyled taillights. Larger openings in the front bumper work to cool the engine and will give the R an assertive appearance, and the R also sports a rear spoiler. Expect the cabin to receive the same upgrades as the GTI, gaining the new screen, revised infotainment, and real buttons on the steering wheel instead of the frustrating haptic touch-sensitive controls on the outgoing car. Like the GTI, the Golf R may also get extra power, with the turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 currently pumping out 315 horsepower. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf R is set to turn heads and instill a sense of exhilaration for all takers in Torrance. From the outset is an aggressive posture with a larger front bumper and front fascia seemingly more pronounced. From redesigned headlamps then sloping upward toward the windscreen is the beveled hood. Noted to the sides are larger wheels and blue-colored brake calipers. To the rear is an enlarged spoiler, and of equal stature exhaust tips for managing a nice wake. Regarding power, it's possible to see the same powertrain as is what's underneath the VW Golf GTI hood. This 2.0-liter, inline 4-cylinder turbocharged setup should extend 310 horsepower. Supportive equipment rests with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive (AWD)